Hi, I'm Luke from O'Brien Engineering. Welcome to Material Mondays, where we focus on one of our specialty materials from our extensive range. Today, we're going to take a closer look at brass. This can be purchased as a sheet, or alternatively, you can utilise our in-house cutting technology to laser cut and fabricate to meet your specific requirements. With brass specifically, we keep two different types. One is an engraver's brass and the other is half hard. The reason for this is engraver's brass is designed for engraving, so its makeup or composition allows for beautiful engraved detail without the brass chipping or flaking. The half hard is designed so we can actually fold it to make specific shapes and details, possibly a folded return. Both are great for laser cutting, and we keep them from as thin as 1mm and go all the way up to as thick as 10mm. Regardless of the style of brass that you're using, if it's engravers or half hard, it's great for signage, could be plaques, plates, something for an award. It can even be architectural. It might be cladding or componentry for a handrail, something a bit more bespoke, but either way we have the right grade and style and thickness to match your requirements. For brass, we utilise fibre laser cutting technology as the CO2 isn't useful as it can cause reflection issues and damage the laser. For laser cutting the brass, the fibre laser will get us great detail, nice clean cutting, and that's achievable on as thin as 1mm all the way up to 10mm thick. In addition to the laser cutting, we can fold it in our press brakes, but we can also weld studs onto the rear of the product. And as a finishing touch, if required, we can even throw a nice linished or orbital through it to finish the surface to create a unique finish. So here we've got some 3mm engraver's brass. It's been laser cut on our fibre laser here in-house. You can see even at 3mm thick, the incredible detail we can get through here with the star. This is showing almost 0.5 of a stroke in 3mm brass that's cut with great accuracy. To finish it off, we linish it to give it a nice even brushed look.